Guys, it's Dorothy. Okay, we are going to talk about face primers today because primers are such a great product to add to your routine. They really do a good job when you have the right one for your skin. So there are different kinds of primers. There are primers that are meant to help foundation stay on. Most of those are silicone-based primers. They help smooth out your skin texture, cover up pores, but give your foundation something to stick to. Other type of primers are skin smoothing primers. So they feel more like a lotion and or a cream and less like the silicone slippery ones that you would get. And what those are meant to do is really prep your skin and give a maximum filling for larger pores, for the fine lines and wrinkles that you don't want things to settle into. They're a little bit heavier duty than the silicone-based primers, and for aging skin, they're great. So how do you know which primer to use? You know what? You really just have to try them, because depending upon what your skin needs and how your skin responds chemically to the primer is really going to give you the maximum results. If you need it to keep your foundation on and you're younger, I would say a silicone-based primer is great for that. You don't necessarily have texture that you're trying to fill or cover up. You're just wanting to give a smoother look and have your foundation look as beautiful as it can. If you're over the age of 30 or you're having texture issues, a thicker, heavier primer that's more of a lotion-based or a cream-based versus a silicone-based will probably help fill those. I call it, and I call it this for me, okay? I call those my spackle and fill. You know how when you go onto a wall, you'll spackle it and fill the holes that are there and then paint? Okay, I put my spackle and fill on every morning. I use our skin smoothing primer, and then I also use our pink primer that is, it's a heavy souffle that I can press in under my eyes, and it really helps with that crepiness. So I use spackle and fill every morning before I put any foundation on. And that's more for my skin to look the best it can look, because I can wear that without any foundation and my skin looks so much better. Whereas on the clear silicone ones, my skin wouldn't look all that much better without the foundation on it. And so I use the heavier primers so that my skin will look the best that it can look, and then apply my foundation over that. So for me, the skin looking better is secondary to the foundation lasting longer, even though it does give longevity to my skincare or to my foundation. So that is the ins and outs of primers. If you want some amazing primers, go over to yourmakeupexpert.com. Check out our primers. They are so good, and they're my favorite product out of everything in our line. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below and I will answer them as soon as I can. I will see you next time. Have a good one.